everyone!
Welcome back, guys.
Today we're playing a brand new game. It is called
Rival Restaurants, a real game to give you some food for thought.
yeah, it's a super fun game. It,
Just new here at the library. Yeah, it was donated to us via the Friends of the Library, so thank you to them. Uh, Game plays 2 to 6 players, and it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to play.
and I was really lucky to be the first person to check it out. So I get to run our program tonight.
She's been playing it nonstop since I came in.
Yeah, I thought it was really fun. So what I've noticed about the game is you can play it with two people, but and it's a pretty short process that way. But if you play with more than two, I played it with three people. It is a lot more fun. It's a lot more challenging, and it takes a little bit longer too. So I would definitely recommend playing with more than two people, although you can play it with two people. So the point of this game is to have the most popular restaurant. And you do that by making different gourmet and basic recipes in your restaurant. Each person is assigned a different themed restaurant. The two that we have out today is Uncle Sam's American Barbecue. It's an American restaurant, obviously.
And the Rising Sun Sushi Bar, so a Japanese themed restaurant. And there's several other, like a Hispanic theme, there's a Vietnamese, Korean, all over the place. So
Chinese.
yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty fun game, kind of a fun, unique theme. And you get points if you are cooking your own style dishes. So I have loaded chili cheese fries, which are obviously American. So I get extra points for cooking these recipes in my
Really? Is that
restaurant.
how that works?
Yeah,
I
so it's
didn't see
kind of
that
cool.
originally. Oh, that's nifty.
So there's just a ton of different basic and gourmet recipes. Basic recipes have a few ingredients and earn you less popularity when you cook them. And there's gourmet recipes that have a lot of different ingredients. So you can cook fish tacos, and they have all sorts of different ingredients. So how the game works is you take your different chefs with different powers. Here I have kimchi, and who do you have?
I have Mortimer Sleesberger. They all have fun little kitschy names that are inspired by food. My type of game.
Yeah, it's super fun, a lot of puns, and the different chefs have different powers. We won't get into that. You can experience them yourself. But the point of the game is you collect money at the beginning, and you get to choose on the board here. We'll show you. You get to go shopping for different food items. So there's different restaurants you choose to go to each turn depending on what your recipes call for. There's the Chop Shop Meat Carbtastic, which has potatoes, rice, flour, bread, and noodles. There's Fruit Stand, which has vegetables, but are technically fruits, which I find really charming.
Yeah, the instructions actually give you a breakdown of what a fruit and a vegetable are, so it's also educational.
Yeah, I actually learned a lot. So it has tomatoes, peppers, avocados, and then it does have sweet fruit in there as well for some of the dessert recipes. There's Vegetable Land.
Mystery Mart and cleverly Dairy King.
Yeah, so Dairy King,
trademark.
you do your eggs, cheese, butter, and all sorts of things. So the other place that you can go when you are shopping for ingredients is the island. So when you produce recipes, you actually create garbage with your recipes, and and this is maybe my favorite token of the game is a little garbage pail with garbage tokens inside. You collect garbage and you have to get rid of those or else you're penalized when you make new recipes. So you have to go to the island to take out your garbage before you cook new recipes.
You can also buy action cards at the island too, which do various different things as well. So things that either benefit you or allow you to hose over your opponent in some cases as well.
Yeah, or you have different perks, like you get a double cooktop so you can cook more than one recipe at a time. You can get a celebrity endorsement, which earns you more money, or the ability to pick different recipes.
Yeah, so the more popular your restaurant gets, the more perks you get as a result of it.
Yeah, so it's pretty fun. The other kind of cool element to this game is that when you are going to these different restaurants, the more people you play with, the more opportunities you have to duke it out for food. So if Eric and I both really wanted this pork at the chop shop, we could bid for it. So we can bid our little money coins here, and whoever has the most could win, or you could even be willing to take on more trash to hose your other opponent and get that pork. So just different little elements like that. That is a timed round. And after that, you get to cook food.
Yeah, so it's definitely something that will whet your appetite for food, if nothing else. So maybe don't play
Yeah.
on an empty stomach. if you're
It
gonna play this
actually,
game.
yeah, some of these recipes sound pretty good, like a sushi platter, nacho supreme.
Yes.
So it's really cool. A lot of different cuisines that you may or may not have heard of. So it was really fun to play and learn different recipes and what might be in them. So, and it's kind of funny to think of a Chinese restaurant making nachos supreme,
Exactly.
or my American barbecue place making sushi. So, yeah, definitely a fun game. A lot of replayability because there are so many different characters you can play as, different recipes, and different restaurants you can own. And each one gets you different perks. So, definitely a fun game.
Yeah, so come in and check out Rival Restaurants or put it on hold through the catalog as well. It'll be available starting tomorrow.
I won't take it back home with me, even though I thought it was really fun.
And I want to try it. So, yeah, so if you liked our video, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our game videos, as well as all of our other videos that we provide from the library.
Thanks, guys.
We'll
Thanks
see
for
you next
watching.
week. Have a good one.
Bye.